Welcome back to Adventuring Pete. It's glad to see you here. So today I got my little helper Easton. Will you help me today?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Fixing a boat for it goes so fast.
Yeah? And what are we going to use to fix it with?
Some tools.
Yeah, some tools.
Like Daddy's tools.
Yeah, like my tools, huh?
Yeah.
So we have to put a new thermostat in this old 1989 Four Winds boat. This is an OMC Cobra. This is the 5.8 liter Ford engine. So we're going to show you how to do it right now. Thermostat is right here below this housing. So first thing we need to do is get these hoses off right here to get that out of the way. Then we'll take the bolts off next. So Easton, go ahead and start taking the clamps off.
Is this way how you take off?
Just like that. There we go. Gotta get them all off.
Chin, 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 chin. Is it? I can feel it.
Yep,
move.
just a little bit more. All right, loosen up. Good job. That's enough. That's loosen up. We can get that out of the way. Just a little bit more. Other way. Right there. Good. Perfect. That'll slide off out of the way. All right, now we got to get these other three. Next thing we have to do is we got to take all these lines off now that the clamps are off. So Easton, can you start pulling the hoses off?
I'm the
do the next one. Yep, keep going. It's a little tricky sometimes.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Get away. Get out.
Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Almost there.
I hear water.
There we go. All right.
Ooh. Hey, cats.
Now we got all the hoses off. We need to get the two bolts off to hold the upper housing off. A 9/16 inch socket does a great job with an extension to get that off. Go Easton, go. Get them all the way out. You're doing a great job. All right, Easton, now we're going to slowly try to pick this up and try not to drop anything out from underneath it. You pick it up, see if it'll pop off. Whoop, there it goes. What did we find?
We found water.
Ooh, back together.
This is all cleaned up. Now I have to scrape it.
Oh, there you go. Good idea.
Stop.
Scrape it all clean.
Get off here. Stop. Get off here. Dad, my daddy doesn't. Get away. Get off that side.
Good job. Now we got to clean this one off with the scraper again.
We have to fix the boat.
Yep, we got to scrape that gasket off on this side too, so it's ready to go. You already got some off. So we got to scrape it all off, and then we'll pull the thermostat out from the inside.
Oh my goodness.
Yep, good job.
Ow. That's not good, because I don't even have a scratch.
That's okay.
I have a tiny scratch.
Good job. Now we got to pull that seal out to get the thermostat out. Yep, there you go. Take a pick and poke at it and poke it out. You almost got it. That one's been stuck in there for a while, huh?
Yeah. Can you move your fingers? I don't want it to get hoarded. Because I don't want you to get hurt by that.
Yeah, keep going. You almost got it.
I haven't done.
Oop, there it goes.
Got it.
You got it. All right. You see if you can take your fingers and pull that out? Pull it out. Pull it out.
I've washed the hands.
Here. You want to use the pliers?
Yes.
Use the pinchers. Pull them out. Oh, get it out. Almost got it.
Yeah.
That's not how we pull it out. Pull it, pull.
Wiggle
it, wiggle it. This has been stuck in there a while, hasn't it?
You don't need this.
See if you need a screwdriver.
Yes.
Try up on it with a screwdriver.
Whenever you're done.
Just like that. Poke it in there. Pry. Almost got it. Oh, so close.
Have to push, then push, then.
Hold on. All right. Pull it out. There we go. That one's been there for a while, hasn't it?
It's clean. The bottom's clean.
The bottom's clean? It looks like it's been there for a while. Is that a little dirty?
Yeah.
Now we're going to clean this all up and get ready for the new thermostat and O-ring.
How does it smell?
What does it smell like?
Ramen noodles.
Parts cleaner smells like ramen noodles?
Yes!
Makes you a little silly too, huh? Little box. Now it's all clean. It's all clean down there. So now we're going to open up the tiny box.
Get it better.
And put the new thermostat
Get
in.
over. Please, we need you.
You got it?
We need you. We need you. Wait a minute.
It's a tricky little box, huh? You need help or you got it? Oh, there you go.
It's new. It's a new one.
It's a new one. That looks way better than the old one, huh?
It's so hard to get out.
Yeah.
You
No,
can't
exactly.
bounce that out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so put the new one back in the way the old one came out. Now the thermostat just goes in there and just sits in that lower lip. Now above that is the ring where the O-ring needs to go in, because the O-ring just kind of holds it in place. It kind of seals it, but mostly just keeping it there in place so it doesn't fall out outside of the unit. So as you can see with the O-ring in there, you just kind of push it in there. Sometimes you got a screwdriver, press it in. It's just below that lip, so when you try to move this, it's not going anywhere. So now we're ready to put it back together. What you doing with the little box, Easton?
Soft watch pet locks. That's two. That was tiny and big and so soft.
Oh, okay, in your little box?
Yeah. So tiny.
Very cool.
I cannot fit 1,000 of them in.
Yeah, you can't fit 1,000 in there?
Only 3.
Only 3? Alright. We ready to put this back together?
Yes.
Now, I always like to put just a light film of RTV on here just to help seal up the water pump spouts and things like that, just because these surfaces get old and warp over time and they just don't seal up great. And then we got a brand new gasket to go with it. And then we'll put this back together. Now that we got it back on, we're going to tighten both bolts down again before we start putting the water lines. You got it going, Easton?
Yes.
Working hard?
I'm tightening up.
Your hands getting dirty?
A
little bit?
little bit.
A little bit.
I'm tightening.
About due for a juice box, huh?
I'm about at how in your about I want a juice box.
Yeah.
But
Once we get done, we earn some juice boxes.
Okay. But I'm on a juice box right now.
Alright. Alright, so you know what's next?
We fixed the boat.
No, what do we do next? Yep, put all the water lines back on. Get it on there.
How can I?
Just
I
like you did
can't.
that. Well, we just got to get them on. I'll help you.
Not a,
Perfect. Now get the other ones. Alright. Does that help? Here. Should we start with the back one first? Here we go.
I'm going to start with this one.
Alright, and the last one.
This is
Alright.
You
Now
got
we're going to
it.
put the hose clamps back on. So, after you put the last hose clamps on there and everything's all sealed up, I'm going to let it dry and then we'll water test it later. Easton, was that easy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Was that a lot of work?
Yeah.
It was a lot of work? You think you could do it again?
No.
No? Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, that's all there is to it for replacing a thermostat on one of these old OMC Cobra engines. A little different than a vehicle, but still quick and easy to do. Other than that, hopefully you can like the video. Comment, tell us what you think, tell us what you hear about, and subscribe. We got a lot of great content coming, a lot of great content on the channel, so be sure to check it out. And remember to have a great adventure. Cheers. Cheers. We earned these juice boxes, didn't we? Yeah.
Yummy.